The sustainable benefits of UV technology open up global opportunities for eco-friendly innovation. At Nedap, we aim to create a genuine, sustainable, and positive impact by developing solutions that enhance our customers' success. Due to high energy consumption and maintenance costs, UV technology can result in costly operational expenses. To optimize your UV solution's performance and minimize operational costs, Nedap's UV lamp drivers address two key factors: energy savings and reduced service costs. Energy savings. High total harmonic distortion in power distribution systems causes extra heat and consequently energy loss. Nedap's drivers support a very low THD of less than 5%, which helps prevent interference and reduces energy wastage in the grid. Power factor measures the efficiency of energy transfer during its transportation. Our lamp drivers have an integrated power factor corrector with a consistent power factor of 0.99. Intelligent controls that respond to specific situations improve the efficiency of systems significantly. Our lamp drivers support Modbus to provide real-time operational data of your system. You can fully monitor the performance of the drivers and connected lamps. Operationally, it's important to consider the expected service costs when selecting a driver. Years of experience resulted in robust driver designs. Using high-quality components improved reliability, extending the average time between failures and ensuring a longer service life. With the Monitor app, on-site service technicians have immediate access to performance data, saving time and money on travel and unnecessary transportation of service drivers. By integrating drivers that offer high electrical efficiency and improved reliability into your systems, you reduce the total cost of ownership and the carbon footprint of your UV solution. We empower you to design energy and cost-efficient UV systems for low-pressure and medium-pressure applications. Power your ambitions with Nedap's sustainable UV driver technology. Calculate your potential savings today.